Hey, how's it going? My name is Nick Krause. I'm CEO and founder of Saleslights. So, what is Saleslights? Saleslights allows you currently to generate elite level sales messages at scale related to your LinkedIn leads, comments, posts, and reactions. Let's dive right into it. So, right now, I'm going to pretend for the first use case that I'm selling a property. So let's say anything from $2 to $3 million up, which I've seen on your portfolio, to someone who's qualified. So I will already have this founder and CEO tech company that I've targeted here. And let's dive right into how we use Saleslights. So right now I've already set up the profile. I've set up our company details, quite straightforward. We've used the company details as general paragraph from what you have on your website. And then our product that we're positioning is a luxury 2-bed, 2-bath on the UES. We also included all the description, super cool things, his and her bathroom, all that great stuff that you put in there, on-site gym, the things that will sell a property. You would know better than us. Message formatting, conversational, witty, whatever you'd like, whatever your style is. And you can even make it bullet pointed formatted with the word length that you choose. And super cool feature of Saleslights is you're allowed to filter by your LinkedIn leads, post comments, and reactions through keywords. So see if they've ever mentioned anything like moving soon or property coming soon, if it's a property developer, whatever you think, whatever the use case applies. So here we have Alan, tech co-founder. We're going to try and find a way to engage with him and position our services. Trying to write something could take quite some time, so we're going to save a lot of that for you and all your reps. Here is something that we could scroll through that looks like it would be interested in engaging on, and we would go ahead and press a sales message. So we've already actually generated something for you here. Let's look at something that we had picked for you in the past. And then this post talks about, reading a latest article on Medium, which is quite big news, and just mentions one of, nomenclature within their tool. And as you can see, a nicely formatted response that is quite witty. Take some time to read it. Then here's a great example is if you're selling to a property developer here in New York City. So this is Xtel, one that's local, and just changing a few things about the company details for your new development service and press save. So want to adhere to the post, want to find something to engage in. This is a senior vice president of development that could be a decision maker in your deals. And it looks like they're super proud that something had posted about the Gordon Gill architecture and a masterpiece in Central Park. So we'll go ahead and press generate sales message, come over to our sales sequences. Here is where we had pressed for generating the sales message. We had done this prior, and it does take a little bit to generate. And here's the save response. So take a look here at the completely generated AI response to what Joaquin had posted about. So that's the main feature of Saleslights. You can use an email eventually and send out with our tool as well as some sequencing. We know this is the future of AI. This is going to get you meetings and making personalized connection at scale.